Apple AR Headst Vision Pro. Apple has announced its first headset Vision Pro. This is Apple's new 3D headset that lets you do things next level. This headset was launched by Apple at the wwdc event, and this headset has a lot of next level stuff. I will introduce you to everything one by one. Let's go then. At this event, Apple first launched their new 15-inch MacBook. This laptop is the thinnest 15-inch laptop on the planet. An upgraded version of the 15-inch MacBook we are currently using. A Mac Studio has also launched with the M2 Max, a brand new Mac Pro. Apple's biggest competitors are quite expensive. These competitors used to come with Intel chip. Now, paired with the M2 Ultra, the newly launched Mac Studio is 3 times faster and the most upgraded ever. iOS 17 has also been launched. There are also many small and big updates like Contacts, FaceTime, Messages, and also lock screen. The Air Pro has a new different approach. Contact Sense has also a different approach. Along with this, the iPad OS has also undergone various changes. You can add widget here and SAP in software that are physically expensive like Logic. Along with this, the new version of Mac Sonoma has also launched. Plus, the entire interface of Apple Watch has also changed. But all this is secondary. The primary one is the Apple new AR headset Vision Pro. So far, all the headsets we have used were VR headset. What happens when you put on a VR headset is that you don't care about the real world anymore. I mean, you will leave the world of your VR headset. Although it looks a little outside, there's no much interaction with the real world as a result of using VR headset. But this is Apple's new AR headsets. The difference between AR and VR is that when you wear your VR headset, you go to another world. But when you put the AR headset, your vision or attention is not only on the headset, you can equally focus or see your real world. The features of these Apple headsets are amazing. The front has 4 cameras with an all-glass panel, has a metal frame, separate parts with mesh. The headband is separated. There is a large dial knob. All the lenses inside can be individually customized. Its headset is set up with a full speaker system through which you can listen. Aluminum knobs are provided to increase or decrease the volume. Similarly, multiple tasks can be done with this knob. You can meditate with this headset. You can sit and travel to another world. You can watch movies on airplane by putting earphones. If you use a MacBook, you can enlarge its screen size like a TV screen through the 4K resolution display of this headset. This headset may not seem transparent to you, but with it, you can see the outside world whenever you want. Even your eyes can be seen from outside the headset. When you watch something or watching a movie on this headset, your eyes will be visible on the headset. It's very amazing. You can operate this headset 3 ways. First, with the eyes. The menu you look at will be auto-selected. That means it will track the cornea of your eyes. You don't need to turn your head for this. The headset menu will move as you move eyes. You can then control the headset with your voice through the built-in microphone. Then you can control with your hands. You don't need to pick any extra controller for this. You can click with your hand. Drag your hand from side to side to control the headset's internal menu. And for this, there will be no need to wear something in hand. Put something on MacBook or any other devices. Inside this headset, there are 2 postcard size displays that are 7.5 micron pixels. You will just feel like you have 2 4K displays in front of your eyes. No matter how you move your eyes or where you look, your eye will never catch pixels. Apple has confirmed this. In the meantime, I have tried other headsets or click it in my hand, but never felt so much interact like this headset and never will. It actually makes your real world with a digital world. In the same way, it can interact with light. The background can be dark or dim if you watch movies. If you move your screen back and front, a shadow is created at the same time, giving you a real feel. A very 3D effect is created. This 3D effect even casts your real world with a beautiful transition. You can use the virtual keyboard or the real keyboard, as well as you can take special photos, combine your real world with the digital world inside the headset. With the camera sensor inside the headset, you can scan an entire person on it and create a 3D avatar of him, and that avatar will talk to you face to face. You can also watch 2D movies in theaters and also watch 3D movies, and you can also play a game in 3D. It turns Face ID into Optical ID and unlock by scanning your eyes. The headset has 6 mics, different infrared sensors. You can also use the Apple AR headset by plugging it in. For example, if you use the headset while sitting comfortably on the sofa, you must connect the battery to use. And in any case, keep the battery in your pocket and connect from there. Apple tried not to attach a battery directly to this headset, as this would make the headset too heavy. And preciously, because of this headset will feel very comfortable to use. On the other hand, I have found that using other headsets that tried batteries are attached to the headset itself. Apple headset uses two processors. One is M2 and other is Apple's R1. The processor in the laptop is the same processor installed in the headset. And because of this, the heat is also high. So a complete cooling unit system is provided at the bottom. You may ask why the R1 chip is installed here. R1 will basically be used as reality creator. The chip will present a living 3D digital world in front of us by the rendering, all the works of rendering, all the works of graphics. If you want to see 3D diagram of heart in 3D, you can open it and see each part of the heart. You will know the parts of the heart. You can do all the sort of things, including talking to the people on video calls. For these products, Apple has created a complete separate OS called Apple Vision OS. The headset basically has a LiDAR sensor and true depth camera. More surprising is its audio retracing system. It will uniquely understand how you are sitting on the room, what the room size is, what part of the room you are sitting in, and track everything to provide you with real audio that will make you feel like you are listening, not your ears, but a sound system playing in the room. And there is a special audio. At first glance, I thought it was a dark headset, but when turned on, the eyes were visible. I thought it was the transparent, but it's not. In fact, it has a display in front of that you will show your eyes very realistically to the person in front of you. The person in front of you, you can see your eyes on the front display and the sensor inside the headset will show it. And on the inner display, we will see the real world in front of you with the digital world of the headset, and the camera sensor in front of the headset will show you your real world. What is technology? That means you stay connected to your real world while doing work on the headset. If someone comes in front of you, you will see him. You can talk to him. You can also talk to people connected to your headset at the same time. And you can make any of your digital world or real world disappear instantly. Reality changes as you turn the accompanying dial knob. Apple has created a new app store for this. And many of iPhone, iPad will be available with this headset. All in all, a very exciting pieces of technology. Apple has put a lot of emphasis on privacy in the products. Apple has collaborated with the Disney for Apple products and many more, including next level games. 3D movies are being made. There will be 3D applications and 3D games. Go under the sea and you will see the world very alive. Truly speaking, this headset is a next level gadget in the world of technology. You may be watching improve day by day for the smartphones, improve watching smartwatches, smart TVs, laptops, iPads, or many other gadgets. Year by year, updates are coming to their chipset, camera sensor, updates are coming to the display, etc. But these improvements are meaningless to the heads. Trust me, it's a cop. Many companies have stepped up to the focus on this technology. Facebook has changed their entire direction for this technology. Many of us know that Metaverse was born based on this technology. Is this technology really advanced? Yes, this technology is so advanced that the world of 2G networks retro mobile phones of 15 years ago has been replaced by the era of Android, iPhone and Internet. Just like this technology can make the current world is smartphone, TV, laptop and computer history. This headset technology is going to be so advanced. But the problem? Yes, there are two problems. Firstly, the headset is big or relatively heavy gadgets. For example, our smartphones, smartwatches, very portable to use. They adjust very well in our hands. The headset itself is quite heavy. And the second problem is the display of this headset. When we use TV, computer or smartphone, the display is the safe distance from our eyes. But in the case of headset, its display are very close to our eyes, very close, as if attached to the eyes to 4K TV. I thought I would be edit a video in headset, but the thought is making my head spin. Apple has never said whether the headset is suitable for our eyes or not. But undoubtedly, it is one of the biggest evolution in the world of technology. I'm very excited about this product. It seems like a magical gadget to me, but there is no doubt that the gadget is very expensive. The price of the Apple AR Headst Vision Pro is $3,499 US. For an experimental technology, we have to spend a huge amount. But since this gadget is going to be combined options of TV, mobile, computer, smartphone, next level gaming console and many other gadgets, so this price can be respected. Facebook is also working on this AR technology. Besides, many more companies have invested in this technology. Let's see who will stay ahead. But it is safe to say that the race is going to be very interesting. Let's see who will be our future tech giant. The future is going to be very competitive. Comment how you feel. This was the latest news of Apple AR headset Vision Pro. Coming later with a more exciting video like this. So subscribe and stay tuned, and don't forget to give a like if you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned until next video. Peace.